How to enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you can use the F11 key. The quickest way to toggle full screen mode is by using F11. You can simply press F11 on your keyboard by opening Google Chrome browser and then this will enter full screen mode, hiding the top and bottom interface. If you wish to bring back the browser interface, you can easily press the F11 key again. So in some of your windows it may work or some of the windows it might not work. But you can follow the second method if this didn't work for you. That is, click on three dots on your browser at top right corner and then here you will see Zoom. Simply you need to click on this full screen button and as you can see that we have successfully enabled full screen mode in Google Chrome. If you wish to disable that, you can easily click on the arrow at top of the screen. To bring that, you can easily click on top of your border of your screen and then it will automatically come on your screen. And click on this cross button. After that, you will successfully enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.